Since March of last year, the pandemic has substantially and adversely impacted the lives of the people here who are depending on the visitors who are coming in every day to us.
Walang pandemya, normal lang lahat, nakakabiyahe kami ng maayos, walang restriction, walang gaanong rules eh. Pero ngayon, malaki yung pinagbago niya. Gaya ng dati, makakapagsakay ka ng 3 passenger, 2 passenger, ngayon allowed lang 1 eh. Kaya mahirap, malaki yung bawas sa kita namin.
Marami po. Hindi po kagaya po noon na talagang marami ang nailuluto namin. Ngayon po, alalay lang. Yung ina-expect po namin na kaya namin ipaubos.
Design has always been important, but then it makes it even more important and relevant, especially these times, because right now, with the givens, the new equation in every design requirement is the virus. I believe it's even more critical because there is an economic situation, there is recession, there is an issue of design being challenged with cost. This design solution should be very practical. Practical luxury can address these issues of addressing how do we fix the problem through design, playing together with all the efforts that's being done by the government and everybody.
Thought of a name that would encapsulate paalala and a reminder when you go out. So when we actually designed it, we wanted it to be unique, using a custom typeface. That's also very Filipino. We also complemented it with iconography that would remind people that there's still a pandemic outside.
The Paalala Bus campaign is really, for me, a very important initiative of Design Center as well as the Design Advisory Council to at least help our countrymen navigate through these very troubling times of the health crisis as well as the economic crisis. And we hope that through our campaign, we will be able to trigger a change in behavior, and therefore a change in behavior will lead to lesser cases happening in the community. And when there are lesser cases happening in the community, then slowly economic activity can come back.
Well, I hope that the campaign is accepted by many destinations as well, especially our local governments. So we must believe in the power of the information as well.
But there are areas na we thought communication would help, especially yung mga areas where we want the Paalala Bus materials to appear, like in public spaces, in karinderya, in public transportation. Parang tingin ko, parang dun sa mga area na to, we can be a bit more informal and colloquial na makakausap natin yung mga tao in those spaces na without scaring them. Parang ano lang, when we go out, we see, okay, may paalala.
While we are rolling out the vaccines and while people are getting vaccinated, we should be reminded of the fact that there are still some protocols that we need to properly observe. And the best way to do that is through this nudge of the Paalala Bus.
Paalala din po sa mga customer. Kasi ito nga po ay tourist spot.
Malaking may tutulong. At least hindi ko na kailangan makikita na rin nila na kailangan natin mag-ingat. Kailangan distancing, official, face mask.
Once na makita nila yung mga sign ng Paalala Bus, maaalala agad nila eh. Gaya nga ng may kasabihan nga tayo, ang gamot sa nakakalimot ay paalala.